Gevre, ik ben nu een square bij de Mable Home Furnishing. Gevre, laat maar eraan checken doen bij Mable Furniture. Eraan checken, Gevre. Mable Furniture, wow! Matti! Matti. Dat gaat bij een computer daar.
Wow, thank you so much for having me. It's an honor to see you.
Dat daar, Michael, hè?
Thank you so much.
Matti, wow, we made it here. Gewoon eens gekleipt, ik heb gezien als een store in Square Stetel.
Could you imagine van dem blijf ik die open doen? Ga ik van dem.
Ze waren de olie wat dit zich doet. In Square Stetel, a beautiful, gorgeous Mable met dat CD.
Mable met dat tweede, mama zo.
Mama zo, Mable.
Ik kan geen kava, a drink, a chocolate, something.
Wow, you should know you're the first place I come to. Normaal kom ik dat store. Nu gaan we zo spät, ik maak de video.
Nou, Kim gaat wegzetten, du scheine Sachen do.
Square is aan het zien, goed zorgen. I always knew that. Coffee, a chocolate. Anyway, we gaan schon gegessen van them. And let's get rolling with this. Well, this is aan het zien. I always knew that Square do the shield, met those, you always see that the nice shield, the gross shield. A furniture store. This is something I didn't know that exists in Square, and it's 2 minutes away from Monsey. Als je maar zacht Monsey geven, dus komen heen.
So a huge amount van customers coming from Monsey, from New City, from Saffron, and some from Square Alliance.
So let's go, let's dive in, let's show my followers what's it to call the space do is gorgeous. Groß, rachwis, lechtig, in the customer service. Hey, schrijven, kommt around do, a chocolate, a coffee.
Du schmeckt von experience.
Schmeckt von experience. Before I go to stores, most of the time I research wegen the store. Ich rede mit ein paar Menschen, die ich geweint und Square. They said that when you buy something here, man kommt daran, film kannst nicht etwas do, you join the family.
Exactly.
You join the Mable family and
it's something. It's stark to verkaufen furniture based on experience, not just furniture.
Nicht just furniture, aber
die Menschen sollen fühlen sehen, was bekommt, was geht er oben do. Das geht sitzen für den nächsten 20 Jahren in sein Haus. Soll es echt appreciate, echt an oben fan.
Frag da daran. Prices, die bist a high-end price store, medium.
Drei Seilsteigs sind affordable und sind based on affordable pricing. Das heißt, drei Seilsteigs um die companies haben die gute qualities, haben die gute selections and affordable pricing. Nicht cheap, wo sie meint, dass sie können zerbrechen soon. Ja, nicht high-end, nicht expensive in Seil custom. We do have some custom. Mainly is affordable, echte gute scheine Sachen. Gute, ja. So was in Zimmer is, there is a huge selection of all type of sofas, couches, recliners. And then mid towards the left side has the dinette sets. Du hast the bedroom, and I'm going in detail in a second. Du hast the bedroom sets, and du hast the dining room furniture. And beautiful. The second one, in the dining room, will I aanwerfen, it's some Kallah Packages, which is, du hast auch Menschen, was it's high, expensive, and specialized in a $10,000 package, was include the master bedroom.
$10,000 is a good price for them.
Sehr davon. So my mom is gegangen, the lowest was possible, was we can, as was a win-win. The customers all han women, so sagen, geht for and push the company, so können weiter umgehen.
I'm so happy, I have so viele followers in Monsey, in Monroe. And they would just know about this. I always get requests. Gaan give me the best price. What's a good place to buy furniture? I recommend different places, but such a low price. This is a gem. This is a gem. If I'm going to water, einer wollte einen Bar packen für is a way to. I mean, jeder will rückkommen. But before somebody comes down to the store, it's too. You have WhatsApp.
Sure. So in some WhatsApp, text, email, over the phone. And so, kann jeden Tag haben ins purchases just over the phone.
Really?
In schick mit options, pictures, pricing, and a lot of people they just buy just from the clarity and they get the mix of information possible. Sure.
That comes with experience, well, mit trustig.
Exactly. It's nice to put information to share so the customer weiß.
Gorgeous. So also the tischen, these tables become bigger.
The tisch, you can just öffnen, ein Mensch kann es push it öffnen, sie öffnet sich, es light, es sei shine, green, easy, es ist echt, da gibt die quality, sei stark. Du hast different type of tisch.
Mehr Marden ein bisschen, gold trimming.
Das geht schon ein bisschen anders und du wirst der Leaves gehalten inside.
Oh wow, look at that shred.
The tisch öffnet sich 10 feet, each leaf is 1.5 feet. Auch es sei smooth, sei geht, sei stark.
Beautiful. So this is mit den Tischen, mit Curios, von den Kallas, oder für anybody kann bei sich jetzt, Menschen wollen kaufen neue Dining Room Sets.
Right, and they have to make sure if anyone wants to verpeisen, darf man sicher machen, dass es noch enough time.
Correct.
So we'll try to do the best possible and dann the meiste correct in der Zeiten, wenn wir können das oben.
Suchst du die honest about it?
Exactly.
Noch dem letzten Minuten.
Honesty is key bei uns, and time is sehr stark to be honest and so exact time of what's possible. A lot of times companies have issues, but we're trying to be on top of it. Ich will anwerfen noch eine Sache wegen Summer Houses. Sei es Summer Homes, da kommen die Zimmer, und Sommer Gesider haben wir uns Menschen, es kommen around in the winter, even for the summer, to furnish the whole house. And
du willst so sagen, für die Zimmer, bist du jetzt?
Yeah, it's enough time to come in jetzt, and as you see the
beautiful
selection,
furniture has to do.
We have a huge selection.
Nice.
So du haben in the bedroom sets, du hyped dich so mehr towards the lower side, and then these are got mehr to the Kallah furniture, some of the shiny sets, and some of shiny gliders, shiny swivel chairs.
Nice. Shiny Sachen, du. Beautiful. Really elegant. Elegant.
So, Chaim, was ich hatte gesagt, in Stram is sehr stark focused on service, the clarity, the experience. Man setzt sich weg, du beschans dem, and we have trained salespeople, we have vast exact information, the pictures, whatever is needed, as the customers will echt feel the clarity.
So you give them a couch to sit on,
Correct.
a coffee, chocolate, and they get to choose, and you help them exactly what they want on the screen over there.
True.
Wow. Matti, ich habe schon gedacht, dass ich machen einen Podcast. I was always pushing it away, but jetzt say the couch is the house. This is a podcast couch. Nice.
Can I be the first guest?
Adrabe. Let's go.
Let's do this.
Let me upstellen the camera and let's sit down here, Yossi.
Who's got me in the
It's a good question. But the energy with the sofas with the service with the matzav this is a no-brainer. Mable Furniture in New Square, New York. The address
Jefferson
is
Avenue.
4 Jefferson Avenue. The phone number
845-354-2020. 2020.
2020. Nice. This is call, WhatsApp, text. Alles of their number.
Text is a different number. I'll give you a scan like in the description.
It's like in the description. Other off the screen. Do the text number. Chevre, Mable Furniture, Kimarandu, Zug Far. Matti, as you enjoyed the geschmack couches over here, make sure it gives you a chocolate and a coffee when you come in. And order now for Pesach, for the summer, for your summer homes, for Kallah Packages. Over $10,000 is a steal of a deal since it's top quality over here. Great quality, great service, New Square, New Jersey. Chevre!